what's up YTV, this is your boy DJ Y and I'm back with another episode. Today we have a topic about yours truly Diddy. Guys, you know that officially Puff Daddy has replaced Kanye West on the list of 2022's wealthiest hip hop artists. Right now Diddy's net worth is $1 billion. Now guys, in today's episode I want to show you Puff Daddy celebrating became billionaire. Check this out the video in YTV.
It's important that we make the choice to vibrate higher. Vibrate higher. I'm living for the love.
So guys, according to a new report of Forbes, Jay-Z has stuck with his spot as the wealthiest hip-hop artist in America with net worth of $2 billion. Bro, this is too dope, man. This is crazy. And earlier this year, Ye was in second place on the list of hip-hop's highest earners with $250 million in earnings for 2021. But after his deal with Adidas came to abrupt and his anti-Semitic comments, his net worth became $200 million. Man, this is big flop, bro. And yes, net worth is estimated to be sitting around $200 million now, and the loss of his Adidas deal is the biggest contributor to his decline, man. So Diddy and Ye actually traded barbs on IG earlier this month on account of the White Lives Matter t-shirt controversy. So guys, right now we have the 5 top wealthiest hip-hop artists. This is number 1 Jay-Z, second is Diddy, now we have Ye, Billionaire and Dr. Dre. Yes guys, right now Billionaire net worth is nearly $500 million, man. I want to say congratulations to Diddy, to Billionaire. You guys make it and you guys doing some major things, man. You all know trials and tribulations of Kanye West, and this is the main reason why Diddy became billionaire, man. This is a little bit strange, but this is what happened in reality, man. Diddy is now official billionaire. This is crazy, man. Congratulations to Diddy, man. You truly deserve it, bro. You are true living legend, man. He is one of the king of the New York, man. This is true facts, period. So guys, if you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.